Hello bro, how you doing? My laptop is broken. It's not working, not opening. So can I borrow your laptop for a few days? Hate to say it, but I had to buy a new laptop.
I'm calculating my expense and upcoming dues because my friend's laptop is a temporary solution. Even though still I'm struggling to create good videos and my expense budget also is over the limit, I shouldn't give up so easily. However, after analyzing all my expenses including food and rent, I have come to a final decision. Alright, I will give you 10 seconds to guess my decision. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And congratulations to everyone who guessed that I would buy a laptop. So, you are the winners, and don't forget to comment the gift you had like to receive. After conducting a research on the internet, I finally made the decision to purchase a MacBook. How about we take a trip to the Dubai Mall together? We can enjoy the fantastic view of Burj Khalifa and its mesmerizing water fountain. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? If it is, go ahead and hit the like button and show you up in this adventure along with me. The best place to make this purchase I determined was at the Apple store located in the Dubai Mall, an iconic shopping, leisure and entertainment destination. I was confident that going to the physical store would provide me with the opportunity to interact with the device first time before making the final decision to buy it. So first, I grabbed my phone and got the direction to Dubai Mall with the help of Google Maps. Despite there being multiple ways to go to Dubai Mall, I chose the Dubai Metro to get there. So before hopping onto the metro, I topped up my metro card because it didn't have enough balance to get through the gate. You need at least 780 on your metro card. If you need a new one, you can grab it from here for just 2580. From my place to Dubai Mall, I need to pass through 4 to 5 metro stations, depending on the exact route and the time of the day.
النقطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي doors closing.
The journey can take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. The metro is quite convenient and efficient, making it a great option for getting around the city. Plus, you get to enjoy some nice views of Dubai along the way.
The final destination of this train is Centre Point. The next station is Business Bay.
Now we are at the Dubai Mall metro station. To reach the Dubai Mall, we have to walk about a kilometer. However, the path is fully air conditioned and very elegant with diverse surroundings. You can see that it is very beautiful. So we don't feel tired at all. But this time, I'm feeling a bit tired because of my camera bag and accessories. The Dubai Mall Apple Store has 2 locations. One is a service center on the second floor. and the other is a retail store on the first floor. Then I chatted with one of the friendly sales representatives about my MacBook. After a brief discussion, she kindly showed me the available colors. For my version of the M3 Pro MacBook, there were only two colors, space black and silver. After seeing it in person, I decided to buy the one I had already selected, the space black MacBook. She asked me to wait for about 5 minutes until someone brought it to me. Meanwhile, I asked about the payment methods. Unfortunately, they don't accept Tabby as an Apple service partner. If they did, I could have received cashback from Tabby as well. I had a Tabby card with a small credit limit, so I used that card and another card to partially pay for my MacBook. Then at last, she asked for my email address to send me the invoice. They have a great view of the Burj Khalifa and the water fountain. So I visited before and planned to show you it today. But this time it was closed. I went to the glass door without realizing it was closed and I almost walked into it. Then a representative came and told me, "It is closed, sir." I was so embarrassed, but I walked outside just like nothing happened to me. Now let's visit the Burj Khalifa and its water fountain in my next video. I think adding it here might make the video a bit too long and I want to keep things exciting for you. By the way, we are halfway through our mission, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can accomplish it together. I hope you had fun and found it helpful joining me on this trip to Dubai Mall today. Peace.